Why does history class have to be so dry? Why are science labs so expensive to maintain? And why do we have to learn everything in a classroom rather than, say, on a tropical island? Well, because that's just how things have always been done. But what if I told you that these age-old issues could soon be a thing of the past? What if I told you that soon, instead of drowning in oceans of textbooks and notes, you could simply slip on a headset and dive straight into a world where you can experience everything firsthand, where you can explore ancient Rome from the comfort of your home, dissect a virtual frog to your heart's content, or build a bridge in a risk-free simulated environment? Welcome to the future of education, a place where learning isn't something you do, but somewhere you go. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The metaverse sounds exciting, even a bit gimmicky. But before we get to how it's going to change the face of education forever, we need to move past the hype and take a closer look at what it actually is. Currently, the metaverse is all the rage in the gaming and social media worlds. But in essence, it's much more than that. At its core, the metaverse is a collection of persistent, interconnected virtual worlds. Persistent meaning they exist independently of their users and continue to evolve over time. Interconnected implying that these worlds are linked together in a larger digital ecosystem. To make this a reality, several key technologies are coming together in exciting new ways. Virtual and augmented reality, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and spatial computing, to name a few. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the building blocks of a new digital frontier. For example, VR and AR allow us to create truly immersive environments. Blockchain provides the infrastructure for secure transactions and digital ownership. AI breathes life into these virtual spaces with intelligent non-player characters and adaptive learning experiences. Spatial computing overlays digital content onto our physical surroundings, blurring the line between the virtual and real. Together, they form the backbone of the metaverse, offering a platform for endless possibilities. So, how does this relate to education? Well, the potential applications are vast and incredibly exciting. Imagine stepping into a virtual time machine and finding yourself in the heart of ancient Greece. You can walk among the philosophers in the Agora, attend a lecture by Plato himself, and even participate in a lively debate. In the marketplace, history comes alive. It's no longer confined to textbooks or dates on a timeline. But the benefits don't stop there. In a physics class, you could use virtual manipulatives to understand complex concepts like gravity or inertia. No more abstract equations or theoretical models. You can see and feel the principles of physics in action. Want to study medicine? Instead of poring over diagrams, you could virtually dissect human bodies, identify organs, and understand their functions in a realistic 3D environment. This kind of hands-on learning isn't just more effective, it's also more engaging and fun. And here's the best part. The metaverse makes learning more accessible. It doesn't matter if you're a student in a remote village or someone who can't afford to relocate for an in-person class. With a VR headset, you can join students and teachers from around the globe in a shared virtual space. You can visit the Louvre Museum in Paris or climb Mount Everest without ever leaving your home. The world becomes your classroom and your learning potential limitless. Let's take a deeper dive into some specific examples of how the metaverse is transforming education. First up, we have virtual field trips. Remember the excitement of school field trips? The bus rides, the exploration, and the hands-on experiences. Now imagine taking that to a whole new level. With the metaverse, students can visit places that would otherwise be inaccessible, like the bottom of the ocean or the surface of Mars. They can explore ancient ruins, witness natural wonders, and experience different cultures, all within the safety and comfort of their classroom. It's not just about seeing these places either. Students can interact with their surroundings, ask questions, and even solve problems. For example, they could work together to repair a damaged ecosystem or design a sustainable city. These experiences are not only educational, they're also unforgettable. They foster a sense of wonder and inspire a lifelong love of learning. Next, let's discuss collaborative learning. Learning isn't a solitary activity. It's a dialogue between students and teachers, between ideas and perspectives. The metaverse enhances this process by creating shared virtual spaces where students can collaborate, discuss, and learn from one another. They can work together on projects, solve problems, and explore concepts in a dynamic and engaging way. This also opens up new possibilities for communication. Students can create avatars that represent them and interact with their peers through these avatars. This can help students who might find it challenging to speak up in a traditional classroom setting. Moreover, the metaverse breaks down geographical barriers, allowing students from different parts of the world to collaborate. It's a true global classroom where the only limit is imagination. Moving on, let's talk about personalized learning. One-size-fits-all approach to education may work for some, but it's not ideal for everyone. Each student is unique with different needs, interests, and learning styles. The metaverse addresses this by providing customized learning experiences tailored to each student. Imagine a virtual tutor that can guide you through a subject at your own pace, adapt to your learning style, and provide additional support when needed. This isn't science fiction. It's already possible thanks to AI-powered systems that can personalize the learning journey. The metaverse also caters to different learning styles. While some students thrive in visual or auditory settings, others learn best through hands-on experiences. The metaverse offers a blend of these approaches, making learning more effective and enjoyable. Another game-changing application is virtual internships and job training. The metaverse offers a safe and cost-effective way to provide real-world work experience. Imagine a medical student performing virtual surgeries, an engineering student testing designs in a virtual lab, or a business student negotiating deals in a simulated boardroom. This kind of practical experience can significantly enhance a student's career prospects. Moreover, the metaverse can connect students with professionals from various fields, opening up opportunities for mentorship and networking. It's like having the entire professional world at your fingertips. Finally, let's not forget about the power of storytelling. Stories have the unique ability to transport us to different worlds, evoke emotions, and inspire change. The metaverse elevates storytelling to a whole new level by immersing us in narratives. Imagine experiencing historical events firsthand, walking through the streets of a medieval town during the Black Death, or witnessing the signing of the Declaration of Independence. The metaverse can also bring stories to life through interactive simulations. In a science class, students can become characters in a story where they must use their scientific knowledge to solve a problem. These immersive narratives make learning more engaging and memorable, fostering a deeper understanding of concepts and ideas. Now, while the metaverse holds immense promise for education, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. As we step into this brave new world, we must ensure that we're addressing the ethical considerations, privacy concerns, and digital divides that come with it. One of the main concerns is ensuring that the metaverse is accessible to all, regardless of socioeconomic background. We need to bridge the digital divide and provide equal opportunities for everyone to benefit from this transformative technology. Additionally, we must prioritize the privacy and security of users, especially younger students. Protecting their data and creating a safe online environment is paramount. It's also crucial to integrate the metaverse into the curriculum in a thoughtful and strategic way. We need to ensure that it complements and enhances traditional teaching methods rather than replacing them. Teacher training is another critical aspect. Educators need to be equipped with the skills and knowledge to effectively utilize the metaverse in the classroom. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits of the metaverse in education are simply too great to ignore. As we continue to explore and refine this technology, I'm confident that it will revolutionize the way we teach and learn. In conclusion, the metaverse is poised to revolutionize education, offering immersive, engaging, and personalized learning experiences that were previously unimaginable. From virtual field trips to collaborative learning, personalized instruction, virtual internships, and immersive storytelling, the potential applications are vast and exciting. As we step into this brave new world, it's essential to address the challenges that lie ahead, including accessibility, privacy, curriculum integration, and teacher training. But by working together, we can harness the power of the metaverse to create a future where learning isn't just more effective, but more accessible, engaging, and inspiring for every student. So are you ready to join the metaverse revolution in education? Are you excited to see how this technology will shape the future of learning? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful tech content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.